Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Norton 360 Deluxe, full tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Norton 360 Deluxe, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Norton official website. Log into your Norton account using your email and password. If you do not have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up option. Once logged in, look for the Services tab on the main dashboard. Click on the Activate option. You will be prompted to enter your product key. Locate your product key, which can be found in the email confirmation or the product packaging. Carefully enter the product key in the designated field. Make sure there are no typos, as this is crucial for activation. After entering the product key, click on the Next button. Follow any additional on-screen instructions that appear. You may need to download the Norton 360 Deluxe software if it's not already installed. Click on the download link provided in the instructions. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to start the installation process. Follow the prompts to install Norton 360 Deluxe on your device. After installation, launch the Norton 360 Deluxe application. You may need to sign in to your Norton account again within the app. Once signed in, you should see a confirmation that your product is now activated. Finally, explore the application to set up any additional features you may want. With these steps, your Norton 360 Deluxe is now activated and ready to protect your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.